Hi, Donald Louise. I just got your question about social media. Just saying, you signed up with Tumblr and you feel lost on the site, and what advice I would give you as a new blogger, and where would you begin? Okay, so the first thing I would say to you, Donna Louise, is I would say to you, don't get involved. When I say don't get caught up in going around inside all the social networks, okay, and doing everything, okay, and certainly don't do it every day, okay. But what I would say to you is join up the social networks. If you go to asksotiris.com, that's asksotiris.com/social, you'll see the social networks that I've joined. I recommend joining those ones because they're, as well as joining the normal social networks, I also join the alternative social networks as well, because a lot of the regular ones don't do what they're meant to do anymore. Okay, so the thing about it is that whenever you create your WordPress blog, okay, there's a plugin called I'm trying to think the name of it. There's a WordPress plugin for social media. I'll post it in the comments when I remember the name of it. It's called Any Something. But basically, if you go into WordPress in your back office and you type in social share plugin, you'll see a list of like loads of different social media share plugins. Okay, so actually I have it in my blog here. Give me a second. I'll find it for you. So the plugin is called Add to Any Share Buttons, okay? So if you go into your back office in WordPress, go to Plugins and then click Add New, and then just type in Add to Any, you will see it. And then all you do is just click on it, click Install, and then click Activate. And then down the side of the page, about halfway down the side of the page, if you go to Settings, and you click on an Add to Any, you can then pick what social networks you want to add on your blog, okay, what all social networks you want to add in your blog. But what I suggest you actually do is that you put social share buttons, okay, on your blog post, okay, and then every time you do a blog, click the share button and just share the blog post, okay. Don't worry about spending hours going around answering people's questions and commenting everybody's stuff and all that stuff. Just share your blog posts on the social networks, right? By all means, go into Facebook and be personal and, share other things, quotes and whatever. But, don't get caught up in that on all the social networks, because if you get caught up in that on all the social networks, you'll have no time to do anything, right? So just hit the share button, get the stuff out there. What I would suggest you do with all the social networks, though, obviously it can take a lot of time if you're doing it daily. If you've got someone who'll do it for you, or you can outsource it, somebody will do it daily, great. If not, I would suggest once a week at least, go into all the different social networks and follow people. Add people as friends, follow them, whatever it is, depending on the social network. Some networks you follow people, some people you add them as friends, do friend requests and stuff, just whatever way you connect with people, right? Go and connect with a number of people every day. The Twitter follow limit daily is 400, so make sure you don't follow more than 400 people on Twitter on any day, okay? Facebook are very funny about people adding loads of friends and they'll block you, and if you add a friend and they don't accept or say they don't want to be your friends, or they don't know you or something, it'll get you blocked on Facebook. So I suggest rather than adding loads of friends who you don't think might accept you or who don't know you, I would suggest to maybe follow a few people every day. So if you follow 4 or 5 people, some of those people will be curious to see who you are, and some of the people you follow will add you as a friend back. So that's a good way to get friends on Facebook. Another way you can get friends on Facebook is just tell people to go at the end of your posts, at the end of your videos, tell them to go and follow you on social media and give your social media URL. Okay. I've done loads and loads of trainings on my website, and if you go to buildingabetterblog.com, it's buildingabetterblog.com / the number 101. Okay, that's 101 blogging tips. So you go to buildingabetterblog.com / 101 blogging tips, and put in your name and email. You'll get 101 different trainings, which covers all the stuff you'll need to know about blogging, right? It's like 14 years of my blogging experience I put into a series of videos. So you get loads of information there. You'll get them in chunks that you can manage. You get one video every day, okay? And so you'll be able to manage them okay. So that's it. Hope you found that useful. And like I said, just go into all the accounts. It might take you one day, but go into all the accounts on all your social media accounts. Set them up, register, get yourself, which is important, get yourself like a bit about you, okay, a short blurb about you, and just use that about you on all the social networks. Just copy and paste it in all the different social networks, right? Also, make sure you put your website URL, the most important website URL, where you want people who are going to actually pay you or do something. Make sure you put that website URL on all the social networks. These are the most important things. Make sure you upload your photo to all the social networks so it looks like a real person and not a bot or or some logo or something for some company. And those are the most important things. And then if you just go, like I said, as often as you want, don't stop yourself from doing anything else in your blogging business because you're doing social media all the time, right? Take an hour once a week and do your follows on all the social networks. Every time you do a blog post, just go hit all the share buttons. If the networks you're on don't have share buttons, just basically put them on a Google document, put the links, just click on the links, open the networks, copy and paste your posts in, and then leave. That's it. That's all you need to do. So I hope that simplified it a wee bit for you. Thank you very much, and I will see you all again tomorrow when I'm answering my next question. Bye for now.